For over a century, Wagner has been a trusted name in automotive lighting. From pioneering the seal beam headlamp to expanding into modern LED technology, we've stayed focused on one thing: delivering dependable lighting solutions that meet real-world driving demands. These days, Wagner Lighting is proud to offer a full line of LED options for passenger cars, trucks, SUVs, and specialty vehicles. Each one is engineered to perform and built to last. Whether it's forward lighting, miniatures, seal beams, or off-road lighting, you can be sure you're offering the right solution for just about any vehicle or application. Wagner LED Minis are the go-to choice for interior and low-power exterior lighting, like dome lights, license plate lights, and side markers. They're a plug-and-play replacement for factory bulbs and incorporate our innovative bulb-free design. This design helps the LED to resist vibration and road shock. The result is long-lasting performance and a light that shines wider, brighter, and farther than standard mini bulbs. Wagner LED forward lights are engineered to deliver upgraded performance with a 6K cool white beam that enhances visibility. These lights can handle the heat with built-in cooling fans and even include options for eliminating error messages on some CAN bus equipped vehicles. For applications that need seal beams, Wagner LED seal beam lights provide long-lasting, maintenance-free operation. Built to last, these LEDs have exceptional durability and a brighter, whiter light than our standard seal beams. And like all Wagner LEDs, our bulb-free design resists vibration, which helps extend the life of the unit. For the toughest conditions, there's Wagner LED off-road lighting. These powerful LEDs work for bars, pods, and work lights to bring high-output illumination to the darkest trails. They feature high-impact resistant polycarbonate lenses, IP67 waterproof ratings, and housings that resist rust and manage heat through integrated thermal components. They're built for performance when conditions are at their most challenging. Across our full line, Wagner LEDs are tested, validated, and engineered for quality, with a focus on simple replacement and dependable performance. So when your customers ask for lighting that works as hard as their vehicles do, now you have the right answer. LED solutions from Wagner. To learn more or to find your part, visit our website.